हाय फ्रेंड्स। हाँ दोस्तों, ये है ना बकरी का पशुपालन करते हैं तो इसमें ज़्यादा मुनाफा रहता है। दिस इज़ गॉड फार्मिंग बिजनेस, द स्टार्टिंग एंड इंडिविजुअल। दिस गॉड इज प्राइस इज 10,000 and this is 20,000. So this is very strong price, but you can care of the god is big profit for the market. This god is selling 3 to 4 months about 50,000. This is very great profit with animal husbandry and animal care and goat farming business. This is very good idea. You can start the goat farming business. This breed is Rajasthan,
हाँ तो राजस्थानी बकरा है।
near to Gujarat.
हाँ
You can show the middle cost of 20,000 is one got price.
ऐसे तू
So you can make profit with this business.
दिस इज गॉड फार्मिंग and this
Thank you.
male got
You are
price
watching
35,000
animal
only.
care and animal introductions and goat farming business. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Press the notification bell. Thank you friends.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon.